Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Reddit account. Now, all you have to do is head over to reddit.com, guys. And once you're here, if you have like, for example, a Google account, you can easily sign in with that. So on the upper right, just simply click on login and you will have the option to quickly continue with your phone number. So if so you can create an account with your phone number, you can create an account with your Gmail account or even Apple. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose, for example, my Gmail account here, which is Google, and it's gonna quickly give me the options. I'm gonna select my email address right there, scroll down and click and continue, and this is gonna quickly allow me to sign in. Then as you can see right here, you just give me the option. I can skip that. Then it's gonna say, what about you? I'm gonna just quickly select that I'm a male and just go ahead and just choose a few options here. So it says popular. I'm gonna just choose, I don't know, world news, for example. Places I like to travel, I'm gonna just choose Europe, Prague, whatever. Continue. You just want to go ahead and personalize your account real quick. You can always change this. Most important thing is that you're signed in and you're on Reddit. And pretty much that's it, guys. As you can see, I've created a Reddit account, and that's really it. Very easy and very simple.